We've gathered here today to celebrate the wedding of Meera and Jonathan.
I promise to love and support you through every moment in our life together, whether it be big or small, exciting or ordinary, but especially the ordinary. Because that's how I promise we'll maintain and grow this fairy tale love that we've built. By being there for each other, day in, day out, and supporting each other through all of the small, seemingly insignificant moments that life has to offer. These moments are what determine who we are as a husband and wife. I love it.
What do you think?
You look absolutely gorgeous.
May you grow deeper in unity and love for all the days of your lives. May you always find the joy of marriage. And may each day forward be the happiest day of your lives.
I promise to always be patient with you even when you throw FIFA controllers. I promise to always do Jersey Mike's Fridays with you. I promise to always be your travel partner as long as Delta keeps paying for it. I truly can't wait to grow our little OSA family. I love you so much. Thank you for marrying me.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, it is my honor to pronounce you, Meera and Jonathan, at long last, husband and wife. You may seal this union with a kiss.